Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's question is from Goldman Sachs playlist: balanced binary tree or not? So the question is, given a binary tree, we have to determine if its height balanced. A binary tree is considered height balanced if the absolute difference in height of the left and the right subtree is at the most one for every node in the tree. We can see the example. The example here is this that there is root node of 10, then parent node 20, 40, 60 and 30. So the output is true for that because the at most height of one node is 1. See, the height of 20 is 1, the height of 10 is 1, and uh, and for this one the height of 1 is 2, 4, 3. So it is not a balanced binary tree. Now let's jump into the code. Let me show you the code. Now we are going to do this with two approaches. The one approach is naive approach, which is going to cost the n square complexity. Now we are going to define a helper function for that. Let's define it. Height is our helper function in this node. For the base condition, if node is none, then we have to return 0. Otherwise we have to return 1 plus max of height of node dot left. We are implementing this with recursion technique. This technique is top down approach, and the other one I am going to show you is bottom up approach for this. Now this is our helper function, which is going to determine the height. Now for our balanced binary tree, we are going to write this code. If root is again none, if root is none, we have to return true. The left height, the left height is height of root dot left, same with root dot right. This is our going to be right height. Now if our absolute left height minus right height, sorry, I do too much typo error, greater than 1, then we return false, and if it is not, then we return self dot is balanced. This is our function. Root dot left we are going to call with left and right, and self dot is balanced root dot right. Now we are going to run it. Let's hope this work. And error, we are getting error because of our name is not defined. Typo error again. I know there I do too much typo error. एक तो ये right होगा, sorry, height होगा, HEIGST, height, left height or right height. Now we're going to compile it again. R height not defined, L height. Oh, sorry guys, my mistake. Compilation process. See, this is completed. Now we submit it. This is naive approach of this finding height of the balanced tree. Now the optimized approach is bottom up recursion, which is going to cost O of n time and O of h space, the height of the tree is going to be the space. Now this approach is also simple. What we going to do is going to do is going to make function check height, define node in there. If obviously our node is none, then we have to return 0. This is our base case, guys, so we have to write it. Now the left height is equal to, we check our left height, so node dot left, and we check if our left height is equal to -1. If it is equal to -1, then we return -1. There is no return, return -1. Now we define our right height. Now we node dot right, and we check if our right height, again I am doing this mistake, is equal to -1, then we simply return -1, not 0, 1. Sorry for the typo mistakes. Now we check if our absolute left height minus right height is greater than 1, then we return -1 again, and if it is not, then we return maximum of left height comma right height plus 1, and in the end we simply return our function checking the height of balance tree by passing with root. If it is not equal to -1, then we know, guys, we have to return if it is not equal to -1. Now I am going to tell you again the code. This is our base case, guys, and this is our defining the left height of the balance tree, and we are checking if our left height of subtree is unbalanced, then we are returning -1, and our right height we are going to again define this. This is typo again. If our right height of the subtree is unbalanced, then we also return, then we again return -1. Now we are going to compare if current node is unbalanced. This is, we are comparing current node, then we are again returning -1, and this statement returns the return the height of the subtree, and this statement check balance if result is not -1. Now we compile it. So we are dealing with the typo. Now we run it. See, our code is compiled. Now we submit it again, and this is also works. So this is our another approach for this. Now, guys, I have made a playlist for Goldman Sachs interview questions. You can access it from the description of this video, or you can visit my channel, and you can see my playlist in there. So if you like the video, subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you.